Welcome to COMPAMED 2022 at the booth of Evonik. Dr. Engel, what brought you to COMPAMED this year?
COMPAMED is a great platform for Evonik to connect with our customers and to discuss about our biopolymers portfolio. Two of our main focus areas this year are solutions for wound treatment as well as additive manufacturing of polymer implants. And it fits perfect with the launch of a series of products such as the VESTAKEEP Fusion filament for 3D printed polymer implants.
As you mentioned, new products. How does Evonik manage the balancing act between innovations, sustainability and the demand for quality?
Evonik takes a holistic view on sustainability, and innovation and sustainability for us go hand in hand. For any new project, we are considering the performance, the quality as well as the sustainability right from the very beginning. And one of the most important goals is good health and well-being to improve the quality of life.
And as we already talked about the important topics, which topics will play a role for Evonik in the future?
Evonik aims to solve the unmet needs of our customers, and we do this by developing smart biomaterials. Smart meaning that they combine multiple features in our products. One example is the Indexo product line for a surface modification in the cardiovascular field, or the VESTAKEEP Fusion product line to introduce bioactivity in a highly inert and biostable polymer.
Thank you very much for the interview.
Thank you.